Hello there, how are you doing? My name is Kannan Trainer. Today I'm going to share with you the digital transformation using disruptive technologies. The government is already pushing this really hard, and we need to have the skills necessary to thrive in this digital economy. In this action-packed 2 days where you're going to be equipped with a lot of information, and eventually you're going to go out with a digital strategy, which is what you're going to be executing for yourself and for your business. What is Industry 4.0? A lot of people still do not know the definition. So we're going to learn that. And then we're going to talk about the 9 dimensions of Industry 4.0. What do they mean? I'll talk about it in a short while. And then we're going to build a digital vision for yourself, for your business unit, for your company, so that you can ride this wave and transform your business. And then we'll also talk about how to be updated in the technologies, how to keep your business lean, right? And then we will look at the ideal fit for your business. Once you've already decided on the technology fit for the company, you need to think about what are the right products you need to procure for your company. And you need to have a certain protocol, a methodology to work with the external partners or the vendors or all the stakeholders to be able to implement the right technology for your business or for yourself. In 5, we will build a digital strategy canvas and we'll document the entire process flow interdependencies. So in your company, there's a lot of business process flows. You've got to look at what can be improvised, where technology can come in and make it more efficient. And then, of course, you have to do your cost versus benefit versus your risk analysis. So all these looks like a lot of stuff to do, but you're going to be doing in a very interactive manner. So it's not an academic course, it's an action-oriented course. Before we start anything, you need to have the right mindset. You need to have the digital growth mindset. If you're going to do these things the same way you'll be doing all these while, it's not going to work. What is Industry 4.0? It's fourth industrial revolution. What's important about it? What has it got to do with digital economy, future economy? Are these the same? We will talk about that. We'll learn about robotics, RPA. What is robotic process automation? How is it going to help you automate your routine tasks? Then we'll talk about big data analytics, augmented reality, virtual reality, cybersecurity, cloud computing, AI, blockchain. So now we're going to talk about how you can leverage that for your business. So in big data analytics, there's a lot of predictive modeling. We're going to talk about data visualization. How do we leverage all these for your business? AR and VR, the different goggles for different things. Do you know that you can use these goggles to actually go through an entire learning experience? We're going to talk about how robotics or RPA can come into action in your workplace. Cybersecurity, especially in the last 9 months, you have seen a lot of cybersecurity scams. You're going to learn about specific measures you can take to build your cybersecurity wall. We will learn about Internet of Things and 5G. AI, is it really such a complex technology? All these terms sounds very chim, but actually it's not. If you simplify it and you really decode it, you realize that it's actually very easy, basic stuff. Okay, no one likes the academic course, right? That's why we build this course in a very technology-oriented way. So in this case, for example, what can you tell about all these images? What if I tell you all these images are fake? All were generated by AI. So AI, just like how we can generate fake news, can also generate fake images, which is quite scary, right? A lot more online scams are going to happen. Let me remind you, blockchain is not Bitcoin, right? It's about the technology, for example, logistics and realty industries. So here we will play a blockchain game in a very gamified manner, and by about 1.5 hours, you will understand the nuts and bolts of blockchain. Next is what? You need to be able to build a digital vision for yourself, a digital vision for your company. So based on your current state, your current structure, your setup of people, your processes, your organization, we need to see how we can leverage technology to get to the other side of the bridge. And on the second of the workshop, we will build a digital transformation model using these 8 steps, starting from the gaps that we just saw before you cross the bridge, all the way up to building an entire digital vision. And then, of course, we want to make sure we continuously improve it as well. And your final digital canvas map will look like this. This is a sample canvas map. It shows you from the vision all the way to your revenue models. And again, this is something that you'll build for yourself, for your business, and then how to apply them to your business, and then coming up with an actual plan. So this is more than a training. This is a workshop with a lot of consultation given to you as well. Me and my team will bring all this experience to you and will help you with this digital journey and make sure that you are successful in your digital transformation.